Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In this video I'm going to show you how to install the Invoices plugin of RedmineUP on Bitnami Redmine virtual image. For this example I'm going to use the VirtualBox, however you are free to use any other software for virtualization that you like. Okay, so I open my VirtualBox and start my Redmine 5.1.1 stable, that is the current latest version of Redmine. Okay, so we just wait a couple of seconds to burn up. Now login into our Redmine, that is with these credentials, and the address where the Redmine is accessed is this. However, please note that it could be changed anytime, and also to check what is the address of the current Redmine, it is by the command hostname I. So in our case it is the same IP address. So let's go and try to see what is happening there. We enter this address and wait a little bit for Redmine to start. So we see that our Redmine is now up and running. When we go to administration and information, we see that there is only one plugin here. It is the contacts. By the way, it is required for the invoices to be able to work. However, the light free version of contacts plugin is enough for this purpose, so you could download it anytime from our site. Okay, so at the end of this video you will have the Invoices plugin installed onto your Redmine 5.1.1 stable. Okay, so we return back to the command line and then change the directory to Bitnami Redmine plugins. And if we list them, we see that only contacts is installed. Now I'm going to get the invoices via the wget command. However, just to note that you could use any other method. For example, you could go to machines here and then file manager, and then you can log in here into the guest session, which is actually your virtual machine. This one is your host machine, your computer, and this is the guest machine, the virtual machine. So when you log in here, you can just copy paste the files by these arrows here, or you can use any other sharing methods. But in my example I'm going to use the wget and just a direct link for downloading the Invoices plugin. Alright, so I just copy pasted the link for the wget. So this is the latest Invoices plugin, that in our case is 4.2.9. So I click enter and it is successfully downloaded into our folder, the plugins folder. So we unzip it and then remove the zip file because we no longer need it. Now when we list again, we see that we have contacts and invoices plugins. Now we return back and run the bundle install, that is going to install all the needed gems for your invoices plugin. Okay, and the next command is the migration, that is bundle exec break Redmine plugins name, and here it is the name of the plugin, which in our case is Redmine contacts invoices, and then the environment, which in our case is production. So we see that the tables here are successfully migrated. For example, a migrating the recurring invoices, the invoice lines, and so on. So it is successfully done. And the very last step, but is also more and maybe, yeah, not most, but very important, is to just restart everything. So it is via the command sudo opt bitnami control script restart. So restarting our services and go back to the Redmine just to see what is happening. So we refresh our page and just wait to see if our job is done. Okay, so Redmine Contacts Invoices plugin is now appearing here. So everything is fine and we have successfully installed our invoices. So thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like it, you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUP. Bye bye.